So, to be honest with you, I think I'm a fan of the Rode stuff. I've got their headphones. There we go. Got the Pro 2. Inside that case there, I've got a Duo. I've got one of their mics as well, the USB one. So I sort of do like them. And the headphones, I am a sweaty person. This is what they look like after they've been used a while, and I would have thought they've got special gel cooling stuff inside, which in fairness doesn't work for me. I wear a hat anyway because I'm bald and I sweat like I don't know what, and that's what I've got. That gets on my hats and everything, this white sort of, I think it's salt or whatever. So I'm going to try and take them off and clean them. You can buy them from Rode. Apparently certain dealers sell you the ear replacement kit, but strangely nobody on eBay or Amazon seem to be doing the actual ones, strangely, as I say. So I'm going to try and take them off as per instructions and see how we go on. So here's my Rode NTH, whatever they are, 100s. The pads were all scabby and sweaty because I'm a sweaty person, and with it being this special nap stuff, you can't just dump them in the water and give them a good old squeezing like you can with your DT 770s, which, yeah, I've done that, and then cleaned them out and put them in the tumble dryer, if I'm being honest. But you can't really do that with these because they've got gel inside there, and as the pictures beforehand might have shown, they were all sweaty and mineral like deposits on them. Like on a hat, you know, when you get hot in it. So I've used gentle round movements like this with steam, which I've got out of the espresso machine. I suppose you could do it with a kettle. Be careful with your fingers, and just kind of try to rub the nap. I've not totally immersed them. I've just tried to rub it, and now I'm going to damp them down with a micro cloth and see how they go. If you've got a better suggestion how to do it, that'd be great. Or maybe you've done yours already. That would be fab if you could put it up, and that's what I'll maybe try next time. Or I'll maybe get a new pair of them. They're dead easy to pop off, by the way. The little plastic lugs fit in there, and then they have, you know, the lugs just pop in. I was a bit concerned that there might have been some adhesive on there, but it wasn't. Easier to get off, I think, than DT 770s or DT 100s. But there you go. That's what I'm doing with them. Not saying it's the right way, mind. It's just the way I'm doing it. So I'm not saying this is the right way, but this is what I'm going to try. And I thought, what do they do with the old teddy bears on the repair shop? So they sort of steam stuff and then dab it dry. So I'm going to agitate my pads with a bit of steam from the coffee maker. Going to be careful with my fingers, obviously, and a toothbrush, and gently rub and see how that goes on. I'll let you know what the score is. Okay. I'm waiting for it to warm up. So I've dried them. I've cleaned the rest of the case, you know, with my microfiber pad, and just to put them back on now. So there we go. We obviously marked left and right, which makes it easy, I guess. So that's going to go in there as these plastic clips clip in. You know, and I'm doing this with one hand, so it's not like the best, but that's kind of fitted in. Yeah, you can see that. So clipped. So making sure it's in. Okay, I'm gonna have to put the phone down. So in essence, what I did with this one is I put it on, put the headphones in the palm of my hand, and with the pressure all across it, press down gently. You hear them clicking, and then just go around individually and click them. So that's what I'm going to do I've not got somebody to hold the thing, so I'll do that, and then I'll show you a picture of them when they're back together. Okay, cool. So all back together, you just like press them from side to side, and then you clip. You know, you can press in it, they clip in, so they're dead easy to fit. Give it a go, and if you've got a better way of doing it, then fair enough.